Hello, you guys. This is a 세종대왕 teacher. Hi. Teacher, let you know what are these. These are birds and insects, right? Birds and insects. You guys, do you remember? What are these? Teacher help you, and then you guys listen very carefully, and then try to remember. Okay? All right, let's go. Okay, this one is wild goose. Wild goose. And then this one is owl. Owl. This one is mandarin duck. Mandarin duck. Okay, now this one is eagle. Eagle. And then this one is dove. Dove. And this one is sparrow. Sparrow. And this one is peacock. Peacock. Okay. 대머리 독수리 is vulture. Vulture. And then this one is penguin. Penguin. And this one is the last thing is kingfisher. Kingfisher.